Good day, Madam Sir. My name is Gemma Cali Santos, 38 years old, married, blessed with two children, 15 years old and 8 years old. My husband is a contraction, my father is a deceased, and my mother is a deceased. I have 6 brothers and 3 sisters. I am from Mabini, Pangasinan in the Philippines. I am Iglesia ni Cristo. I am high school graduate. My hobbies are singing, cleaning, and cooking. I work as local helper in the Philippines for 3 years, and I have served 4 members of the family, 2 adult and 2 children, 8 years old and 6 years old. Sir, Madam, I'm in duties are cleaning the house, marketing, cooking, washing dishes, washing clothes, ironing, and taking care of children. Sir, Madam, if you hire me, I will do my best to serve your family and treat your family as my own family too. I will follow all regulation and responsibilities that you to give me. Thank you, Sir, Madam.